I am back. Yes, I was gone for a few weeks. We did a big road trip through Denmark, Sweden and Finland. We drove 6,000 kilometers to visit friends and other airsoft related stuff. We visited Wiley X, ASG and a few Swedish airsoft sites that I wanted to visit for a really long time. And of course, I talked to a lot of people. And they say airsoft is just running in the field and shooting other people. But for us, it's a whole different thing. Because during the years that we played airsoft, we met amazing people. And those people made this trip possible. We were able to sleep at their house, they were arranging stuff for us, and that is just only possible because of all the games that we went to the past years. And because of all the things that were going on in our life the last few years, I really needed a break. And this was just perfect. And this video is just a short summary of all the things that we did because I did not focus on filming at all. I focused on having fun, meeting my friends, and just having a good time. But I still took out my camera to shoot some fun stuff, and I practiced some more cinematic stuff, and this is also in this video. So you'll be seeing a lot of the stuff that we did, but there is not everything that we did because I just didn't have my camera with me all of the time. And once again, I want to thank everybody that made this possible. Because without you guys, there wouldn't be a trip like this. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you next week for another video. It's not done yet. Video's coming now. See ya.
Nice. I like it.
People to come and catch fire.
Pew, 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 pew.
You just want to see me struggle.
Loving husband.